ऑफिस चर्च ये डिपार्टमेंट गोल्डन जुबली मई 12 तारीख को आप सबको आने की आशा करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Hi everyone, first of all I would like to introduce myself. My name is Karbi. I'm happy to say that on 12 May 2024, this coming Sunday, our youth department is going to celebrate their 50 years of Golden Jubilee. So I will be happy to invite you to all my friends if you come on this occasion. It will be my pleasure. Thank you.
Kardom nili memar hadirang nili tum Songron baptis samon tu dia lonon kibang ti aru Jubilee pai krihini bhamkuruar ni nili tum risoni kan pukem setalina Jubilee paman puningci asika do ka becer picture to sumhala bang soni tum becer pansai tu nili kon pen aponi Kardom.
Hello everyone, first of all I would like to introduce myself. My name is Karbi. I am joyful to say that on 12 May of 2024, our youth department of Songron Baptist Church is going to celebrate their 50 years of Golden Jubilee, and I'd like to invite you all on this occasion. I will be thankful to come. Thank you.